now we're going to move on to one of my favorite stages in the detail, the claying phase. In the claying phase, we remove everything that we could not remove during the decontamination and the wash and the pre-wash. Some of these contaminants need to be removed with the clay. This will reduce our polishing operation time. And for that, we're going to use our new product, Lubrifica. Lubrifica is a concentrate, so you can dilute it from 1:7 to 1:10 to your own preferences. The bonus is that we did not put any artificial products in here that can create the peeling of the clay itself. A bonus also is that when you are using this product, the lubricant will keep going and will be very easy to remove. In fact, after you use this product, the surface will be so slick and smooth that the polishing operation will give some more comfort. You can also use this product to remove the dust from the polishing operation after your first or second pass, or take down the first initial polish residue before moving on to the swirl highlighter. The claying stage is done. We're moving on to the polishing operation, where we're only going to use the new polishing line from Labocosmetica. Before we start polishing, I'm going to mask the parts that I don't want to be affected by the polish, so I can maximize my focus on the surface that I'm going to polish. During the inspection, we found massive orange peel, scratches, holograms, everything you can find on imperfections in the clear coat. So in order to correct this in the right way, we're going to sand some of the parts to get rid of the orange peel, and then take audace to get massive cut with the supreme finishing in one step. Some of the parts just need a moderate cut, so we take leale. Leale is also specialized for sensitive paints. You could say it's a one step, but it can do so much more. And to finalize some of the parts right before we're going to apply the ceramic coating, we're going to use Fiero. And Fiero is supreme finishing and priming in one. So after this step, there's no necessary for a panel white with Veritas. What you see here is the result of our new polish in the Labocosmetica Audace. Supreme cut with supreme finish. Just to show you the performance of this product, we made it 50-50. So now we're moving on to polish the complete car.